Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Allow your body to relax with each breath, settling into the present moment. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing the tension, allowing your body to soften and relax. Begin with your feet and slowly move upward, relaxing each part of your body, your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, and face. Let go of any tightness, embracing a sense of calm. Shift your focus to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any stress. Continue breathing deeply and evenly, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a tranquil garden. Visualize the sights, sounds, and sensation of this place. Feel the warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze, and the soothing sounds around you. Allow this peaceful environment to envelop you, bringing a deep sense of calm and tranquility. And now, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently moving your body. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace with you. Take a moment to appreciate the calm you have cultivated. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state anytime you need. Thank you for meditation. Namaste.